Welcome everybody. My name is John here with Park Superior Sales. I'd like to here today to show you a brand new 2018 Federal Cadillac XTS Heritage Coach. We just got in. Beautiful car, and love to show you all the features, what's different for 18 and the advantage of the Federal Coach. We'll start off at the front end here with the Cadillac features. For the new design for 18, some minor changes. You got a new front grille here. Nice sharp looking design, I like that a lot. They changed the headlight a little bit. You see some extra chrome down here in this area. So really nice sharp looking vehicle. This is on the XTS platform. So again, those are some of the changes that Cadillac has done for the 18 model. So this is a Federal Coach. I love the Federal Coach. This is their signature brand. It's called the Heritage Coach. What I like about this vehicle, very traditional looking, very large vehicle, probably the largest non-commercial glass hearse built today. So let's take a look, come on down. When we look at a hearse, everything from here down is all Coach Builder equipment. This door is composite body, the whole body is composite, so you never have any rust issues. It's a great feature with the Federal Heritage. Take a look at the vinyl top. You got the Landau bars. Again, very traditional vehicle. That's what the Heritage is known for. So if you're a traditional funeral home looking for a traditional vehicle, this is your vehicle right here. On the back end for Cadillac, the changes, again, with the tail light, a little bit of a design. We call it like a hockey stick design. Comes a little bit towards the back end here. Nice chrome piece coming along, gives it nice looking feature, accentuates the tail light. Federal Coach puts new exhaust bezels in here, gives it another sharp look. Love the look of that. Rear door, take a look at the rear door. The feature emergency unlock button is located in the Cadillac emblem here. Pretty neat feature. You just press this button and boom, you're unlocked and ready to go. So let's take a look inside. Open up the rear door here. And as you can see, huge vehicle. The largest vehicle height-wise in the industry today that's a non-commercial glass vehicle. Beautiful designs. You can see the lighting behind the shadow boxes. Love it. Looks great. This particular vehicle has a couple of features I'd like to show to you. Extender sill for help for easy loading and unloading. Very easy to operate. You just pull the handle here. Out comes the extender sill. You have 90-degree rollers. Just protects the bumper, easy loading and unloading. And then to put it up, let me show you one other thing which I love about this vehicle. You cannot close this door when the extender sill is open. Great feature. They came out with the extender sill many years ago, and that was one of the problems that the funeral directors were indicating. They were afraid that you would close the door on the extender sill and you'd have the repairs on the door. So great feature, great thinking by Federal. Add that in, so you cannot close this door when the extender sill is out. So very easy to put the extender sill back. You just lift and put it back in. Very easy to use. The Federal tucks the beer pin holder in the rear door. Gives you plenty of space. It's not in the way in the casket area. Great feature. Just small things that Federal has thought about that we really find beneficial. It's a small thing, but really works. And the next feature I'd like to show to you is the urn holder for this particular vehicle. Very easy to use and operate. As you can see, we've had it set up already with the urn in the vehicle already. I'll just show you real quick. You got a couple of brackets there. You unscrew, slide out, take the urn out, we'll put that to the side. These particular brackets just unscrew real easy. You can just lay them in the urn holder area also. And then this just folds down. It's like it was never there. Very easy to use, very user-friendly. We love it. Take a look inside. We got LED lighting. You got 2, 4, 6 LED lighting in here for extra lighting. Again, with the LED lighting behind the shadow boxes. Very contemporary looking shadow boxes. Love it. This is a black interior, so very sharp looking with the Madagascar floor. again, you can order vehicles and come in different style floors. This has been our most popular floor over the last couple of years in Madagascar. It's really taken off. Customers love it. So that's pretty much the interior, the casket area, looking at it from the rear. You can see they put the Cadillac emblem on the partition area. You have the partitions that slide back and forth. Let's go take a look at this side here. Again, this is all composite body, never have any lifetime warranty against rust. Heritage coach. This is a federal heritage coach. This is your church truck area here. This particular vehicle has an open church truck area. You have storage here for umbrellas, flags, anything you need is stainless steel. So you never have any water issues. This door flips up, plenty of storage for the church truck, anything else you need. Your spare tire is across on the other side there. And then this folds down like that. Let me show you some of the strobe lights. This particular vehicle has strobe lights in the front grille. Also a new feature that they came out with, strobe lights on the front fender here, and it's just a great feature. Gets you, people can see you from all different angles. That's new for this year from Federal Coach. And then again in the front grille they have a set of strobe lights also. Okay, we're inside now this 2018 Cadillac XTS. Beautiful trim inside. You got the new trim. It's a wood mat design. Very beautiful, very consistent with the Cadillac elegant style. Plenty of storage for phones, keys, drinks, all that kind of stuff. You have some power for your phone here. Power outlet. You have more storage in here. You got your USB connections. This is the Q system, which if you're familiar with the new body style with Cadillac, it's kind of like an iPad for your car. You've got everything you need in here. You've got your settings. Apple CarPlay, which is very important, a pretty cool thing. You can hook your phone up to here, and whatever's on your phone comes up on the screen. Very helpful for navigation. So if you have navigation on your phone, anything you have on your phone can connect and come up on this screen. Awesome feature right there. You have your four-way hazards here. Glove box, standard glove box. This is all your controls for your heat, AC. You can also do it on the screen here. Your climate control, everything is in here. I'll show you, this also has a backup camera. There we go, we can see. Helps you to guide you in the garages and driveways. Very great to have that backup camera. And there you go. This button for your strobe light is up here. Very easy, just on and off. And that's the interior of the 2018 Cadillac XTS. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. So I hope you enjoyed this new edition Federal Heritage for 2018. Great looking car. You can visit parksuperior.com to learn more about this vehicle. Feel free to give us a call at 800-229-5008 and ask for a salesperson. We'll be happy to help you out. Anything you need as far as your funeral vehicles are concerned. Thank you.